Oh, I'm gonna be hiccuping through this video. Let's hope I can get a sentence out without interruption. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video, we are doing another video for our Shop My Stash series. This is a series that I'm doing with my dear friend Anya from Pink Sweets. The I in pink is a number. Excuse the little hiccups that'll be coming. I've been hiccuping for the last like 2 hours and I can't stop, but I wanted to film, so here we are. So yeah, so the I in pink is a number 1. I will of course leave her channel up above and down below. But if you are new to my channel, this is a new series that I'm starting with Anya, and the basic concept is we were pulling out some makeup items from our collection that we've kind of pushed to the back. They're collecting dust and we're giving them some attention, some love. And so this is, oh goodness, new game. How many times am I gonna hiccup in this video? Oh my goodness. So in this video, we decided to do another similar so we pulled out the Sephora Pro Editorial palette, and this baby right here, stunning. Stunning. And yeah, so we're really excited to share with you guys 2 looks. So you'll see a look here and you'll see a look on Anya's channel using this palette. The hiccups. So if you're interested to count how many hiccups that will carry through this video, but also see a look using this Forgotten Love palette, then stay tuned and let's get into this video. Look at the Sephora Pro palette. So it is a really nice black type of, not metal, but plastic packaging. And it has Sephora Pro here, and I love the way the letters change colors when it hits like a different angle of the light. Very pretty. And on the back, it gives you very basic information about the palette. It says Pro Pigment Palette, Editorial, and there is 28 shades in here. Each of them are 0.04 ounces. And yeah, so this is a Sephora brand palette. And when you open it up, what you do get is a slip. Now the slip has the names on it, so that's why I haven't tossed it yet, which I think is just a little bit inconvenient. But here is the but here is the palette. Super stunning, and it does come with a really decent sized mirror. But the shades in here are what really drew me to this palette, why I picked it up. For just such a large palette to have this many variations in colors, I was intrigued. Now the top row, it's coming off like really all kind of white toned on camera, but in person the top row are a lot of like pastel colors. But what I love about the top row is just, oh my goodness, so pretty. So let me swatch these. Now the top row, like look at that. That is the top row of shades, like stunning, so gorgeous. And then you have more of your deeper vibrant colors as you move through the palette. But honestly, I picked this palette up because I loved the color ranges, and I felt inspired when I looked at it. I swatched it for months in store, and I finally decided to pick it up. But yeah, so this is just one of the products that has been pushed to the side, so I am excited that both Anya and I are using it in this video. So with that being said, let's jump into a makeup tutorial. I'll zoom you in a little closer and let's create something fun. So I'm thinking I want to do like a really sharp edge here with the eyeshadow, so I'm going to add some tape just to the corner of my eyes. And to prep my eyes for eyeshadow, I'll go in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Original. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so hard to talk throughout this video with hiccups. Oh gosh, with all these hiccups. Okay, so I think I'm going to do a fall look just because tis the season. Oh, tis the season. So let's just jump into creating something fall inspired with this editorial palette. let me go finish off my face and I'll be back with more products. Okay, so I've gone ahead and done my foundation, concealer, and I've set everything with powder. So let's move on to blush, and my whatever happened to that product blush item would be the NARS, and this is the Exhibit A blush, and yeah, look at this gorgeousness. Like, sadly, not even a dent into this, but super gorgeous and definitely a pigmented blush. Like, I'm just gonna be real gentle. It does come with a mirror as well. But yeah, I definitely picked up, I feel like NARS has a good variety of blush options, but they don't have a lot of pigmented, like vibrant colors. I think it's this one and a purpley shade is what I have in my collection as far as from that brand. But yeah, love it. Love it. And then for a highlight, I am super excited to use this again because this was definitely back in my stash. And you know, I just love like opening my drawers and like picking out an item that I'm like, oh my gosh, I haven't used you. Let's just use you today. So today we're using the Cover FX, and these are the custom enhanced drops. You guys remember these? These had their moment in the sun. These were hot when they first came out. So this is in the shade Candlelight, and yeah, like I was obsessed with liquid highlighters when this trend started, and I picked up this one. And I think this was the darkest shade that they had, and yeah, so it literally is a dropper. And the way I will apply this, I'll put a little bit to the back of my hand. A little goes a long way, like a long way. So just a drop. Here's the drop, and I'm going to use my finger. So first I'm just going to smear it out, and we're just going to pat it onto my cheeks. Stunning, just so pretty. I really do like this highlight. Now what I would do also is go on top of it with a powder highlight, but for today I'm just going to use the liquid alone. And yeah, love it. Love this highlighter. And I'm so like, why have I stopped using you? Does not make sense. So I am super excited that I decided to use this, and yeah, it's just bringing back, like, I'm remembering why I love it. Love it. So fun to use, and it is a really nice goldeny highlight, and it spreads and really meshes and blends into the skin really well. So that is a plus. Loving it, and it goes really well with the blush as well. Okay, so let's finish up this look with going in with a lip product. So I decided to pull out this little guy right here. So this is by Bite Beauty, and this is the Line and Define Lip Primer. So this is a good base for any lip product. And yeah, when I got this, I think, I don't know why I got it. Honestly, I can't remember why it's in my collection, but I haven't used it in years. I want to say years. So let's line our lips. And the whole premise about this is that you don't need necessarily a lip pencil. This will keep any type of lipstick from feathering outside of your natural lip line. So maybe that's why I picked it up. Who knows these days? Who knows? It has a little bit of a minty scent. There's a tad tingle sensation, but I mean, it is so light. But other than that, like, the mint scent isn't overpowering. It really just feels like a balm on, like a lip balm on my lips. So, nothing nothing too like crazy. So for my lip product, I decided to pull out a Smashbox lip item. So this is their Be Legendary like foil lipsticks, and this one is in the shade Haterade. Super cute. But yeah, so this is a foil finish, and I loved them. I loved them when they came out. I picked up quite a few shades, so I thought this would go really good with the eye look. So let's go ahead and apply. Like, guys, stunning. So stunning. Here is the final eye look, and you guys, I am loving it. I think very fall inspired, and the pigmentation is still there. I'm gonna say that in like every single video, I feel like, because this palette still performed really well, and there's so many colors. There are so many colors. If you don't like oranges, you could substitute the orange for any color in this palette, and I bet it would be fantastic. And I feel like with the lip combo being like a foil finish, just the right thing for this look. So please don't forget to check out Anya's channel. Very makeup focused. She has a lot of makeup tutorials. She has a lot more collaborations with other channels, just showing them some love. And she is just a well-rounded channel, a beautiful friend. And I'm so grateful that we're doing this series together. I have left her channel and the link to her specific Shop My Stash video down below. So please don't forget to check that out. And that is really all I have for this video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.